that I have today, using all makeup from Dubois Road, Kiss Beauty foundation, Kiss Beauty primer and powder, and other makeup from Dubois. So keep watching and remember to subscribe to my channel. To start off, I'm going to prime my face using this Kiss Beauty Green Tea primer. The reason why I start with this is because when you do primer, you need to give it some time to sit on you, to settle into your skin before you do foundation. So that's why I normally like starting with primer, so that by the time I'm doing eyebrows, I'll have given it enough time to get into my skin. So I'm just blending this with my hands, because I think using my hands makes me more comfortable with the application. So it's a good primer. And the next thing, I'm going to fill in my brows, and I'm going to brush them using this spoolie. I got this also at Dubois Road, and it comes with a spoolie and an angled brush. So yeah, it's quite a nice one, because it saves you some cash, of course, because you won't buy two different brushes, a spoolie and an angled brush. This comes with the two of them. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows, then filling them in with Davis eyebrow pencil in number. So I normally start with number 3, and then at the front part I use number 18, because I think number 3 is so dark and I want it to look natural. So I normally like do number 3 at the end and number 18 at the front, because number 18 is lighter. So for those who wonder what someone means when they say they used Davis eyebrow pencil number 3 and number 18, I think this is it. I'm not sure about them, but this is what makes sense. Doing the front part with the light one and the other part with the dark one. The reason why my eyebrows are thick, like it comes when I feel them, they become thick, is because I don't shape them. They rarely grow, so I don't see the need for tweezing or threading. If I do it, it's like once in a whole year. And then it's also painful, so I save myself from the pain by not shaping them. And if you guys can see, I'm holding my eyebrow pencil at the tip, not here. Okay, this one is small, but let me try. I'm holding it here at the back. This helps me to control the intensity. If I hold it from here, it makes me draw very dark lines, and I want it to look natural. That's why it's good to hold your eyebrow pencil far away from the tip. So to clean them, I am going to use this Kiss Beauty foundation, because I wanted to do the whole look using makeup that I got from Dubois. So I didn't get a concealer that is my shade. I didn't get a Me Too concealer. Yeah, so I'm going to use the foundation. So if you don't have concealer, you can still use your foundation to clean off your eyebrows. So the next thing is eyeshadow. And I'm going to prime my eyelids using the foundation again because I don't have concealer. So I'm going to use this Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette. I also got it from Dubois, can't remember at how much. And for my eyeshadow, I'm just going to do it very simply. So I'm going to be using these brushes, kabuki brushes. I know they're dirty, but I got them in Dubois. They are very nice for blending eyeshadows. They come in five face brushes and 5 brushes for eye makeup. So yeah, they're very nice. So I'm going to be using them for my blending, and I'm using this Hudabeauty. I can't remember how much I got it for, but it was not more than 600 bob. So I'm going to do a simple eye look. So I'm taking this color over here, putting it on my blending brush and placing that on my crease, tapping it. Can you see how it is pigmented? It's like a morphe eyeshadow. It's that pigmented, yet it's me too. So me too is also good. So I'm just placing this on the outer corner of my eye and around my crease, the outer area of my crease. Then I'm going to take another brush and take this brown to blend, use this brown to blend this color that I've placed on my eyes, outer corner. So I'm just blending the color of the first color. It's reddish, I don't know, yeah. And then for my brow bone, I'll use this one. That's how simple my eye look is going to be today. And I forgot to buy a mascara and eyeliner from Dubois. So I'm just going to do without. I'm just gonna pop in my lashes, and the lashes I'm going to use are also from Dubois, and they're so pretty. This Hudabeauty mink lashes. Come on in. I'm going to use this Hudabeauty lash glue, also from Dubois, for 100 bob only, and it really works well. So when you're putting your lashes, you apply your glue like that, a generous amount but not too much. Then you let it dry for like 5 minutes, and then now you place it on your lid, on your eyes, either using tweezers or your fingers. I love using fingers, so you guys are gonna see how I'm gonna put it. And also be careful when you're taking them from the packaging, so that you don't destroy them. So I'm just putting my glue, a generous amount of glue, then I leave it to dry for like 5 minutes. So as my lashes dry, I've thought of using this Carite glitter eyeliner that I also got from Dubois to I'm going to use it as a liner because I don't have a mini, the liquid liner, and it's also going to bring an extra feel to this eyeshadow look. So can you guys see how that glitter enhanced the look, the eye look? So I don't even need that black liner thingy. And then for my waterline, I'm going to use this blue Davis liner. This Davis liner comes in different colors, as you can see. I'm going to use this blue one, and they're only 50 bob, again in Dubois. So yeah. Now my lashes I think are okay. I'm going to pop in the lashes. This foundation smells so nice. It smells it smells so nice. I don't know why it has a nice smell. I have no idea, but it has a nice smell. And as you guys know, most Me Too foundations have a very bad smell, but this one, oh my god. So this Kiss Beauty foundation is very nice. It has a nice smell. Let's blend it and see the coverage. So I'm using my beauty blender, also from Dubois, for 150 bob. So let's blend this in and see. And as you guys can notice, I'm not spreading like this. I'm pushing it into my skin. I don't know what these are. Can you guys see? It's like it's peeling, and it's not like my skin is peeling. I think it has powdery things. I didn't get my exact shade, but I'm just going to work with this one. I honestly don't know what these are. It has, I don't know what it has, those things that look like chapped. I don't know what those are, but let's blend the rest of the face and see. So after blending, I'm not so mad at it. It said it has demi matte. I don't know, maybe they meant semi matte. I can't really say it's matte, but it has not so bad coverage. The coverage is okay, but I don't know what these things are. They're like, it's like I needed to shake it, because maybe they didn't, I don't know. It has some things that are still on my face even after blending, but I love the smell. It smells so good. It's not that matte. It's not matte. I think it's a bit oily in fact, but I would say generally it's a good foundation. I only got it at 500 bob. So if that's your budget, you can totally work with it. So now that I'm done blending, I'm not going to highlight and contour today. I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty green tea powder It's written Kiss Beauty Green Tea Compact Powder. The powder actually has coverage. I prefer the powder to the foundation, so the Kiss Beauty powder is good. Actually, I'm very pleased with the powder, and it's matte. So as you guys can see, the powder is matte. It's also not my shade, it's a bit darker. And then I don't want to contour, so I'm going to blush my face using this Hudabeauty palette, just a shade from the palette. And I like going on top of the blush with powder to make the blush look natural. I'm going to spray my face using this Kiss Beauty 24K setting spray. It also smells so good. And as that sets, I got Fenty Beauty Lippy. Yeah, some of you don't know there is me too Fenty. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for the lipstick. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I can't find my lippy. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Lippy. Yeah, there is fake Fenty. And this Kiss Beauty lip liner in maroon. So I'm gonna line my lips. I really love the gloss, it feels so nice. And did you see how easy it blended with in my lips? I love the setting spray, and I can say generally I'm okay with all the products I've used. Yeah, I think it looks okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.